Hallo zusammen.
Hello everybody, my name is Alexander Fisches and I'm pleased to present you today our new press jaw for the B MaxiPro system in size 1 3/8 of an inch. What makes this press jaw so special? First and foremost, Rothenberger is the first manufacturer to offer a press jaw for the B MaxiPro system for the 1 3/8 of an inch size. In addition, the fittings manufacturer Connex Benninger recommends the use of Rothenberger press jaws together with the B MaxiPro fittings. Secondly, the well-known Dura LaserTech technology is once again used in our press jaws. Dura LaserTech means that both the jaw mouth and the inlet geometry are partially laser hardened, which leads to a longer lifetime of the press jaw. The third point why the press jaw is so special is that we have designed the press jaw for our 32 kN standard interface. This makes the press jaw compatible with our battery-powered Romax 4000 press machine, among others.
Pressmaschine Romax 4000. Nach der Rohrvorbereitung
After preparing the pipe by cutting, deburring, cleaning, and marking the insertion depth, we can now insert our B MaxiPro fitting into our B MaxiPro press jaw, so that a tight press for refrigerant-carrying copper pipes can be created in seconds.
für kältemittelführende Kupferrohre zu erstellen.